In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove sample data from Zoho CRM. If you've just started using Zoho CRM, you'll often see sample or demo records that Zoho adds automatically, so you can explore the features. These can be useful at first, but once you're ready to work with real customers and deals, that sample data just gets in the way and can make your reports and views confusing. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to remove that sample data safely and completely. Start by signing in to your Zoho CRM account and looking toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon, which is the Settings menu. Go ahead and click that. This is where you manage all of your backend configuration, including your data. Inside the Settings area, look for the section called Data Administration. The names and layout can shift slightly over time, but you're specifically looking for the option labeled Import within that data administration area. Click on Import to open the Import Management page. By default, you might see options to bring new data into Zoho, but what we need is the history of past imports. At the top of this page, find and click on the tab labeled Import History. This is where Zoho keeps a record of every batch of data that has been imported into your CRM, including the default sample data that came with your account. Once you're in the Import History tab, scroll through the list and look for an entry that is labeled Sample Data. This is the batch that contains all those example leads, contacts, deals, and other records that Zoho created automatically for you. Take your time to make sure you found the correct entry, since undoing it will remove those records across all modules. When you've located the sample data entry, hover your mouse over that row. You should see an option appear with a curved arrow icon, usually labeled Undo. Click the Undo button. Zoho will now prompt you with a confirmation message, asking if you really want to proceed. This step is important because it is effectively wiping all the sample records that were imported. When the confirmation dialog appears, review the message, and if you're sure you no longer need any of that demo information, click Yes, Proceed. Zoho will then remove the entire set of sample data from all relevant modules, leaving your CRM clean and ready for your real business data.